Alright, so you're thinking about heading to Hoi An, Vietnam for the first time? Well, buckle up, because you're in for a real treat. This charming little town is like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by travel lovers like you. First things first, let's talk about the food. Oh boy, get ready to indulge in some of the most mouth-watering dishes you've ever tasted. From savory street food to delectable local specialties, your taste buds are in for a wild ride. Don't miss out on trying the famous chow lao noodles or the fresh seafood caught right from the nearby waters. Now, let's chat about the sights. Hoi An is a photographer's paradise, with its colorful lanternlit streets, ancient temples, and picturesque riverside views. Make sure to wander around the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and soak in the rich history and culture that oozes from every corner. And of course, we can't forget about the shopping. Hoi An is a shopper's dream come true, with its bustling markets and tailor shops. Treat yourself to a custom-made outfit or pick up some unique souvenirs to remember your trip by. Oh, and did I mention the beaches? Yes, Hoi An has some stunning beaches where you can kick back, relax, and soak up the sun. Whether you're into swimming, sunbathing, or just taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, you'll find your slice of paradise here. So, if you're ready for a magical adventure filled with delicious food, stunning sights, and unforgettable experiences, then Hoi An, Vietnam is calling your name. Pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Trust me, you won't regret it.